Install the armor clamping cone and make sure the braided armor is evenly distributed around the cone. How do you properly install an armored cable gland? In this video, we will use our EW cable gland as an example and walk through the installation process step by step. Before installation, let's review the main components and their assembly sequence. Now, let's take a closer look at each component. Compression nut. Add a sealing ring. Main gland body. Armor clamping ring. Armor clamping cone. Inner sealing ring. Entry part. After checking all components, let's assemble the cable gland step by step. Now, let's begin the installation. First, determine the cutting position based on the required installation length. Mark the cutting position according to the installation length, leaving enough cable for connection. Cut back the outer cable jacket to expose the braided armor layer. Carefully prepare the braided armor layer for proper clamping. Wrap the exposed cable section with tape to keep the cable organized and make installation easier. After preparing the cable, we can now slide the cable gland components onto the cable. First, slide the compression nut with the other sealing ring onto the cable. Then, slide the main gland body into position. Install the armor clamping ring onto the cable. Install the armor clamping cone and make sure the braided armor is evenly distributed around the cone. Press the armor clamping ring firmly against the cone. Install the entry part with the inner sealing ring pre-installed. Tighten all threaded connections to secure the assembly. Use a wrench for the final tightening. Loosen the gland slightly and check the armor clamping condition. The armor clamping ring remains properly engaged with the cone, confirming correct installation. Reassemble the gland to complete the installation. The installation is complete. The cable gland securely grips the cable,